All right, boys and girls, we are going to do third time's a charm. So I'm going to help you spell the words, and then you're going to pause the video and write them 3 times. So the first word is fur. We're doing U-R today. Fur. Number 2, nurse. N-er-s. And that has an E at the end that you can't hear. It's nurse.
Sorry.
Say, excuse me, Mr. Stewart.
Excuse me, Mr. Stewart.
Sorry. Next one is the word burn. Stop.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Stewart. Burn. Maybe we should do the word burp for our number 4. Burp. Because Mr. Stewart keeps burping. Now I'll know if you're listening to the video, actually, because you'll probably laugh. Okay. Next one. This is something you can do to your hair. You take your flat iron and you curl your hair. Curl. Next one. This is something you can do on an ocean wave. Surf. Next one. Burst. Burst. We have 3 more. Blur. Blur. Number 9. Purse. Purse. And the last one is hurl. Hurl. So now that you have all of the words, I want you to go back and write them 3 times. Well, just 2 more times because we already wrote them once. So push pause on your video so that you can go back and then write them. And when you're ready to keep going, push play. I forgot to show you on the other side, it should look like this when you're done. So Mrs. Stewart did it too. And then when it's all done, okay. Oh, I turn it over onto this side. Now we're going to read the sentences and we're going to circle words that have ER and UR in them. So number 1, the otter has soft fur. So we would write otter on the ER side and fur on the UR side. Okay, number 2. Her mom is a nurse. So we're going to circle her and nurse. Her nurse. Number 3. Dad will burn dinner. So we're going to circle burn and dinner. Dinner and burn. Last sentence. Number 4. She has a silver purse. Silver purse. Silver purse. Okay, very good. All right, now that we're done, go ahead and make sure your name's at the top. Turn it into your teacher.